Hello everyone, this is Madhavi here. In today's video, let's see about Introduction to HTML5. These are the contents I'm going to explain in this video, like what is HTML, versions of HTML, about HTML5, terms used in HTML5, basic structure of HTML5, best HTML5 editors. So first, let's see what is HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is used to create web page and develop web applications. Next, let us discuss about the versions of HTML. So the first version is HTML1. It was introduced by Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1991. In 1995, HTML2 was published. In 1997, HTML3 was introduced. In 1999, HTML4 was introduced. And in the year 2014, HTML5 was released and it was used by everyone globally. Next, let's see next what is HTML5. It has various advanced features. It is easy to use by developers, designers and users. It has new multimedia features like both audio and video controls. This is implemented by using video and audio tag. Like this, you have many advanced tags to be used only in HTML5. So all these tags will be discussing in upcoming videos. Next, let's see some of the terms used in HTML5. So here are three terms like tag, element and attribute. These terms often will be using while coding the HTML language. So you can see there is an example on the screen. You can see there is an P character within the angular bracket. So that is nothing but we call it as angular brackets are called as tag. Within that we have P. So that is a paragraph tag. It is called as opening tag. We call it as opening tag. At the end you can see there is a backslash within the angular bracket followed by P. That is nothing but closing tag. It is nothing but an closing tag. So all the tags will be having opening tag and closing tag. Closing tag indicates with the backslash. And the content whatever we have to be placed, that should be in between the opening tag and the closing tag. That is called as element content. It is called as element content. You can see there is a content called as my paragraph. So that is nothing but element content. And overall, together with the opening tag, closing tag and element content, generally overall we call it as HTML element. So overall we call it as HTML element. Next we have attribute. So about attribute we'll be discussing in the next upcoming videos. I'll be making a separate video for the attribute. So this attribute is used along with the tags. So this will be discussing in the next videos. The next topic is about basic structure of HTML5. The first line indicates it is an HTML5. You have an exclamation mark, doc type HTML within the angular bracket. This tells it is an HTML5 document. The next one is HTML tag, root element. We call it as root element. Then you have a closing root element, that is nothing but closing tag. So within this HTML tag only we have to place all other tags. So next, inside the HTML tag you have two other tags. One is header tag and the body tag. That is nothing but two sections. So within the header tag you can give the title for your web page. So that can be given with the help of a tag called as title tag. You can see there. Next, if you want to connect to any other document like JavaScript or CSS, that also can be given within the header section. So this is all about the header section. Next is body tag. Inside the body tag, if you give any content, that content will be displayed on the web page. Or any other tags also you can be using within the body tag. That tags will be formatted on the web page. So this is all about your basic structure of HTML5. Next is best HTML5 editors. So here I have listed out some 3 best HTML5 editors. You can see one is Sublime Text, the other one is Visual Studio Code, and the next one is Notepad++. So here I'll be using Visual Studio Code for my upcoming classes. In the next video, I'll show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code. With this, I'll end my session today. I hope you all understood. Stay connected. Thank you.